Hello everyone, this is the unboxing and full review of the 4K Sports Ultra HD camera sold by Simul Canada through Amazon.ca. Let's get started. Let's start with the 4K camera. On this video, we are using the 4K resolution and we're running it on a 30 frames per second. I just hope that the 4K resolution is seen on YouTube. The next video is taken using 1080 resolution on a 30 frames per second. I am starting to notice that the camera doesn't perform really good from low light to a bright area. Here we are comparing it to an SJ5000 camera with the same resolution and frame rates, and you can quickly see that the SJ5000 handles the low light much better on this video. Now let's bring it inside the house, where we can see how the camera performs on low light and sudden brightness from windows. The 4K camera seems to struggle a little bit on the low light situation, but it's really good when the lights are perfect. Here is the video of the SJ5000 with the same resolution again inside a house, and you can see that it can handle low light to a bright situation easily. The only flaw that I found on this camera is the softness of the video, that it seems to be out of focus. This issue can be resolved by post-process, sharpness, or adjusting the lens itself. This issue was seen on the Xiaomi Yi camera before. Once corrected, the camera started producing amazing videos. The 4K camera is very capable. With a combination of control from the menu, higher frame rates, and 4K resolution, you can definitely expect quality video from this camera. Thank you for watching this review. Please like and subscribe, and we have more videos review on daily products. Once again, thank you for watching. See you next time.